SushiSwap is a decentralized finance DeFi platform that allows users to create, trade, and manage their own cryptocurrency tokens. It's a decentralized exchange, DEX, that operates on the Ethereum blockchain. SushiSwap is often referred to as a fork of Uniswap, another popular DEX. What is SushiSwap Marketplace used for? SushiSwap allows users to 1. Create and manage tokens. Users can create their own tokens, known as sushi, which can represent a wide range of assets, such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, or even in-game items. 2. Trade tokens. SushiSwap enables users to trade tokens with other users similar to traditional exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. 3. Farm tokens. Users can earn sushi tokens by providing liquidity to the platform, which is known as farming. Things you should know before starting to make money with SushiSwap Marketplace in 2024. 1. Risk involved. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency markets can be risky and unpredictable. You may lose your entire investment. 2. Fees and taxes. SushiSwap charges fees for transactions, and you may also be subject to taxes on your earnings. 3. Market volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, and market conditions can change quickly. 4. Security. While SushiSwap operates on the Ethereum blockchain, which is considered secure, there are still risks associated with using decentralized exchanges. 5. Compliance with regulations. You may need to comply with local regulations and laws when trading and investing in cryptocurrency markets. 6. Education and research. Before starting to make money with SushiSwap, it's essential to educate yourself on the platform, its features, and the risks involved. 7. Start small. Consider starting with a small amount of investment to gain experience and test the waters. 8. Monitor your accounts. Regularly monitor your accounts and keep your information up to date to ensure the security of your investments. 9. Stay informed. Stay informed about market trends, news, and updates about SushiSwap and the cryptocurrency markets. 10. Be patient. Making money online takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and don't get discouraged by setbacks.